Hey, you guys. Welcome back to our What Sold on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari.
Yeah, we had a really great single day of sales here, and we got some really cool stories to share with them. You may remember us finding a lot of these in some previous thrifting adventures.
Recently, actually.
Yeah, so join us.
Okay, so first going out, you'll remember us finding these in a very recent video where we went to the Salvation Army and we found, honey, what did we find?
We found, and I was so excited, a pair of mother jeans, which are just fantastic. Right. And they're boot cut. They were just fantastic. I got back here, went to photograph them, and realized that they had been altered in the most beautiful way you could ever imagine. Totally fooled me. Just ridiculous. And so I had to make a very distinct listing, just literally with the specific measurements of this other girl's body, and these sold within how many days? 3 days?
Probably 3 days, and for $31.
For $31. So it was long-winded, you guys, but this was like, wow, somebody bought them after all that. So, just measure really well, and somebody else is out there that's the same measurements.
Yeah, even with it was some really good tailoring, and you'll remember Michelle doing a little short on that as well.
Yeah.
So go back and check that one out, and the video where we found these. And oh my gosh, guys, $31, we'll take it. It's pretty awesome. Absolutely. So next, we are going to go find over in bin. Let's see here, G3. We're going to find a Talbot's Hot Pink Silk Women's Tank Top camisole.
Oh, yeah!
Now, this thing sold for $24 plus shipping.
Oh, yes.
Oh my gosh, wow.
I love the color of this hot pink camisole, and if I'm correct, what is it, size 10? Is it?
Oh, yeah.
And it's so beautiful, and I do believe it's silk. So, yeah, it was a great little sale.
Absolutely. Oh my gosh, you probably picked it up for a few bucks too.
I did, yeah.
Awesome. So that went on Poshmark, and this went out on eBay. Now this is something that you listed first on Poshmark and cross-listed via List Perfectly. I put it over on eBay, and that's where it's sold. And this is a Kuba soft leather purse shoulder handbag. Yes. And oh my gosh, this thing went for this is in bin C3.
Yeah.
Oh, right next to it there. And $38.24 plus shipping, guys. Oh my gosh.
I was so happy to get that price for this purse. And it was a little bit of an interesting color, being a really dark plum that almost looked black or brown. So yeah, it sold, and it's gorgeous. And I'm happy to see someone get their hands on this beautiful handbag.
It is too. It looks really buttery soft.
It is. It's a great brand. Kuba. Kooba.
Awesome. All right. So next going out, we're going to find, let's see, how about on Poshmark? We'll check out this Adidas Aero Ready soccer jersey. Now, if you know us, you'll probably see us selling soccer jerseys once in a while, because when we find them, we put them up and we sell them. That's how good they are. So we'll find this in bin X1 over here. And so this is Manchester, looks like across the pond there. This went for $29 on Poshmark, guys. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Exactly. So that's why we like to, find these things. European, Mexico, all, the places where soccer is very popular, right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah. So $29 for that. We'll take that all day. We probably found that, or honey, you found it for, $4 maybe or something, if I remember correctly. Pretty dang cool. So also on Poshmark, a bit of a surprising sale is a puzzle. Actually, we're not surprised at what's been selling on Poshmark.
It was puzzling.
It is a puzzling sale. Very good, honey.
Hey, had to do it. So
Yeah,
cheesy. I'm a cheesy ball.
Pun intended. I know. That was great. I love it. Nice one. But this one is a bits and pieces round pizza pie shaped jigsaw puzzle. 1,000 pieces. Found that right away in our sort of like puzzle area here and media. And this sold for $10 on Poshmark. Like I said, we are not really puzzled anymore by what is selling on Poshmark once you get those items cross-listed. So make sure to do that and use the link below to get 30% off your first month of List Perfectly and get those listings in front of some new eyes. We've been seeing some awesome sales because of that. Absolutely. All right, so next going out, now you're gonna remember us finding this when we did some retail arbitrage at TJ Maxx. Now check out this video because we picked up a bunch of good stuff, including this right here, which is a Natural Balance freeze-dried raw dog food treat, basically. That went for $24.64, free shipping, and this thing really
Crazy!
isn't. Yeah, it's really not that heavy either, so it's not going to cost that much to ship, and we only paid $2-3 for this, so really great profit. We're going to find that in bin S2. That's actually over here.
Oh, pardon. Excuse me.
Pardon me.
Pardon me.
All right. Now, here we go. Natural Balance. Right there.
Yes, I remember that.
We could just throw this in a poly mailer. You know, it's not going to break or anything, so that's good to go. We love that. And next, going out on eBay, we have a couple more items, guys. This one you're going to remember us finding in a Sabres video. This was a while ago, and it took a while to sell because this Sony Handycam digital video camera was for parts only. Now, my gosh, guys, some electronics, you know, they're still very valuable to people who know how to fix them, and Sony Handycams are no exception. So this one for $21.24 plus shipping, and it doesn't even work. So, you know, we'll take that sale. You know, some electronics are worth buying, even taking the risk knowing that they're not going to work. So if you look up the model number and see that this particular model is selling for parts only, you know, the risk is much. The risk is less. You know, you're gonna make something. You know, maybe a home run, but it may only be $20. So we're gonna find that in bin W. There we go. All right. Right here. You know, just throw that in a box with some bubble wrap.
That's crazy.
Somebody's gonna fix it, and you know,
and it
sell
doesn't
for...
even work. It's so funny. Oh my gosh.
Exactly.
And
but,
somebody's they want it that way. It's nuts.
yeah, you know, they're gonna know what's wrong with it, and you know,
they don't care.
Fix it and either use it or sell it for like $100. So they're gonna profit. Everybody's happy.
Elmer. Hi.
Elmer is joining us, helping us find all these fun things like these vintage markers here, honey, that you found. This set of 2014 Mr. Sketch Holiday Scented Markers.
Scented!
Yeah, so not quite vintage, but still, scented markers are pretty cool. Somebody paid $20 for those on Poshmark. Yeah, pretty sweet.
That was a really sweet deal, and they had really nice fragrance left in them, considering they're,
you know,
almost vintage.
Another 10 years or so, and they'd be vintage. But, still, yeah. Hey, somebody wants these. Somebody ran out of these exact same ones and needs a new set. So here they are. Now, our last but certainly not least item is something that we found. Honey, you had this great idea to get a thread up box, right?
Oh, yeah.
Now, oh my gosh, what a fun time. Check out that video. And what great profits so far. We are in profit land already.
Yeah, we've done really, really, really well with this thread up box.
I know, oh my gosh.
The shoes. That's really right. Yeah.
And not only were the shoes very easy to list, you know, it really didn't take long to get all that stuff up. It really actually, you know,
we've made a big progress. They gave us some good name brand stuff.
I know. Oh my gosh, like all these great name brands, like this pair of New Balance 574 athletic running shoes. Now run over to bin shoe 5, honey, the big blue in here.
Big one.
And we're gonna find those green ones with plaid. Oh my gosh, what a great colorway.
I love these, you guys. Wait till you see them.
They went for $55.24 plus shipping.
OMG, they're so freaking cool.
Oh my gosh, I know. We'll have to get a really good in the light there for the color. Nice green. It has some plaid on the inside there. These were practically brand new. Only the thing is I had some sort of defect here on the very tip of the shoe. And we had to sort of disclose that, you know, some good pictures, and let them know that, you know, when they get that, they're going to see just some cracking. You know, there's nothing really wrong with it.
No, it's nothing at all, but we always disclose everything.
Yeah, we had to take a little bit of hit on the price, going for $55. If they were in absolutely like new condition, say, you know, without the box, maybe we could have asked, you know, like 80 or more for those. But hey, $55. I think we paid like what for the whole box, $90 or something like that.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It was like $4 or so a pair of shoes, I think.
It was a really great price, and we really appreciate them sending us some good stuff. We have no affiliation with it either, so super surprised. And guys, that was it for today.
Yeah.
I mean, we had some pretty decent sales to share, and my gosh, what about next time?
Yeah, who knows? It's going to be a busy week, though. I can feel it.
Oh yeah.
I can't wait to see you guys next time.
Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you know, that's when we release new videos, so
Yeah.
check them out, guys, and we'll see you next time.
Be well. Bye.
Hats off to you. Grateful. Oh my gosh. One day, keep on listening, guys. Keep hitting your goal and keep getting sales.